Today, for the first time on this channel, I will present a relay extension and 32 channel relay extension from Kony. This relay extension has been sent to me from Kony company to try to integrate it with Loxon. Happy to inform you, yes, integration can be done very easy, and I got this device for free. I'm not paid for this video. Once I finish all the testings, I'm allowed to keep the device, not to send it back. Won't have any influence on my kind of review, I would say. Of course, we will do a review on this one, and then the following videos I will show you how to configure it and integrate it with Loxon. It's a 32 channels relay extension. We have 32 channels on the relay output and 6 channel input. This one comes with a serial cable and an extension for the physical connectors for each channel. 32 input. If you wanted to connect switches, physical switches, you can use these input. This board will communicate with the relay extension via serial cable. Those two, they will be connected. Okay, and you have the second option to use a remote control over the, I think 400 megahertz. I think it's 400 megahertz usually, and you could switch on and off all the 16 channels. It comes with a second remote control as well. Those remote controls are not the most beautiful and the best remote controls on the planet, but they do the job. I would not use these ones, but depends. Okay, this one can be installed into the wiring cabinet as well, onto the DIN rail. This one comes with plastic attachment, and it goes the other way around, like this. Okay, something like this, I believe, and I think it's this way, yeah. Should be this way, I believe. Yeah, that will get and you can pull that use like a spring in here. Okay, I got you now. And to take it off and to take it out. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's build. It's a very strong build, a metal case, yeah, and the connectors, you can unplug them in a set of 6, I think, or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 8 of them, and are the cage style. Very, very good. I love these ones. Most of the cheap devices what I find online. They are just with a screw tightening up the cable, but this is with a cage. This is a good one. Okay, if you have a Ethernet cable, you can access from the lock zone over the Ethernet cable or the Wi-Fi. Depends which one you choose to use it. 12 volts power supply and the inputs. Okay, well, I'm the most curious is what's inside. I would like to open the box and check what's inside. I lost my screwdriver here. I need to find it. Oh, it's a tiny one, but not that tiny. This is not the best one. Doesn't fit properly. It's hiding in here. Okay. I'm curious what's inside. I hope you guys are curious as well. Okay. Oh, it's getting dark outside. Someone had a problem with the car. The alarm went off. But this is finally we don't have ugly weather. It's quite good. Okay, come on. Oh, look at this. Okay, as you can see, this is a very strong metal. What do I have here? The Wi-Fi dongle chip, the Ethernet chip, yeah, and lots of relays. Okay, you see the specs of these relays. I can see that 10 amps. Okay, 10 amps, 277 volts AC, or 15 amps, 225 volts AC. Okay, that's not bad. That's good specs. Hopefully they're good quality. I can't say anything about this one because I didn't had any chance to test them. It looks like a fairly simple board. Okay, we have to take this off as well with my tiny screwdriver. Okay, take these ones off. See what's underneath. Might be, I would say, a microcontroller of some sorts. Must be a RAM and a memory, I believe. Okay, well, it comes off. I should take this Wi-Fi connector off. It will be easier. Okay, we slide it out. Come on. Very tight fit. Okay. And now, oh, look at this. Okay. I would like to think those are optocouplers. Okay, the microcontroller. Yes, AT32F43AVGT7. That's an ARM chip. Okay, that's good. It's quite simple. Nothing out of ordinary. Those are the LEDs for the relays, the status of the Wi-Fi, and on the Wi-Fi, this first LED is when you set up the Wi-Fi as a client, server, or UDP. The latest upgrade of the firmware, it allows you to do the MQTT, and on this side, and again on the Ethernet you can set it up as a client server UDP, and as I said, the earliest is MQTT. Okay, designed by King Kuni. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. I like it. It's very robust. I like it. Those traces are not very thick. I would design them more thick layers, and yeah, the contact on these ones are on the surface. Yeah, it's quite difficult to run those cables, but what I would do, I would run this one, these two on the top side, and I will bring on the bottom side traces from the relays. Yeah, this had to go underneath. Yeah, that's it. That's the extension. Oh, I need to put it in the right way in. Yeah, I like it. It's quite strong. Strong build. It's not plastic like most of the relay extension you find in the market, especially from Luxon. They are all plastic. They are very beautiful, I'm not saying not, but this is quite nice. It's strong, doesn't melt. I had a dimmer extension from Luxon, for example, and there was a loose contact or something, and the case started melting. But won't be the case in this one. That's not bad. Okay, wait, connect the Wi-Fi again. Okay, back the lead. Maybe this way. Let's see. It's alright. I don't think it matters. It's the same. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's the same way. Okay. That's it. Now this, I believe those are optocouplers. Oh, you have a switch, all on, all off. Interesting. Power in, power out, power in as well. I never used this one for the moment, but I will use it, promisely. Okay, thank you for watching, and